my glorious chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to prepare a seasonal staple, the tomato sandwich. What I used to prepare this dish was fresh baked white bread, homemade mayonnaise, and a thick sliced Jersey tomato. With that said, let's get cooking. Kick things off by cutting 2 slices of white bread. Old school white bread is the way to go here. None of that nonsense full of seeds and whole wheat and healthy aspirations. At least you're not eating greasy meat with this sandwich. You're using tomatoes. I mean, what's healthier than a fresh tomato, am I right? I made my own bread in my bread machine. You could use store-bought white bread, no shame. But I will post a link to the video of making the plain white bread in the bread machine at the end of this one. Now, all that talk about how healthy this sandwich is kind of gets thrown out of the window because we're going to be lathering on profuse amounts of mayonnaise. I make my own mayo because it's easy, and it's, just one less thing that I don't let the big food corporations control over me. Especially here in America, we really don't have any control over the food we eat. Mayonnaise is really simple to make. It's just a few basic ingredients that pretty much every household has. It's an egg, an oil that you like, olive oil, avocado oil, even vegetable oil, canola oil, plus Dijon mustard. It's simple. I'll post a link to my mayonnaise video at the end of this one as well as the bread video. Once the bread has been mayonnaised, grab yourself a big hunkin' fresh picked ripe and juicy Jersey tomato, beefsteak preferred, but we do what we can with what mama gave us, and then slice that mother thick. I try to not cut too many sections or else you get slippage. Nobody wants slippage. The less tomato slices inside this puppy, the better. It's going to be sloppy anyway, but we don't want a quarter of a tomato slice firing out of this sandwich into oblivion. Want to add some seasoning? That's entirely up to you. I didn't today, but I usually do go with some salt at the very end. I don't want the salt pulling out the water content of the tomato, as salt tends to have a nasty habit of doing. I may go pepper, I may go Italian seasoning. Some of you bolder, more seasoned connoisseurs may go with a dash of cayenne. You want to be bold, be bold. This is your meal after all. Make it however you feel. And that's the ball game. Bread, mayo, tomato. If it's all fresh, it's all delicious. If it's not, it's still a decent sandwich in my humble opinion. Please let me know what you think. If you made this recipe, did you tweak it at all? Do you have any suggestions to improve it? What do you pair with your tomato sandwich? Do you make a bowl of tomato soup? I don't know. Maybe this is all you need. And regardless, I'd love to hear all your feedback. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. I am truly grateful for all the love and support you all have shown me. You are all so very kind. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!